Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can pin files to the start. So as you can see, this is our start bar, and over here we can unpin as well as we can pin stuff. Now I'm not sure why recycle bin is here, but it is what it is. Anyways, I'll be showing you guys how to do it. So now you won't be able to use these shortcuts. I mean, some of them, yeah, but not all of them. As you can see, I can't pin this, I can't pin this, I can pin this though. So the best way to do it is basically open up to file location. Once you're in the file location, you just want to select the file, right click on it, and then press on pin to start. Once you press on that, you should be able to see that it is now in my start bar. And from here, you can also go in all apps, and basically you can also drag it and do it however you want. If you want, you can also make folders, but yeah, it is completely up to you. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.